honorable principal, teachers and my dear friends. I am Sarakshi Marathi Salunke from class 8A and
I am Nishan Patel.
Today going to tell you about Maharashtra and
Labour's Day.
so today I will start to tell you about Maharashtra. The State Reorganization Act 1956 defined the boundaries of the state within India on the basis of the languages. The then Bombay had people speaking various languages like Marathi, Gujarati, Kutchi, Konkani, and which didn't obviously work out. So Sanyukt Maharashtra Andolan started demanding a separate state. This protest continued till 1960 when Bombay Reorganization Act was passed by India's Parliament. And to divide the multilingual state of Bombay into Gujarat, Maharashtra with Ahmedabad. This legislation came into effect on 1 May 1960 when 62 years ago the existing state of Maharashtra was formed. The Maharashtra celebrates a big event in its own history. A parade is to be held at Shivaji Park in Mumbai where the governor addresses a big gathering. The Maharashtra spans multiple cultures which include cultures related to Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Jainism, Christian, etc. Lord Ganesha, Maruti, Mahadeva in the form of Shivlinga, Khandoba, Kalubai Devi, etc. And Lord Vittal, which are the deities worshipped by the Hindus of Maharashtra. The diversity is naturally formed in the third largest state by area and second populated state in India. It is also the land of scholars, saints, actors, because many people from Maharashtra had succeeded in the fields mentioned above. Maharashtra is also known for its Parogami culture or forward culture. Maha means big and Rashtra means nation. Maharashtra is known for its unique custom and practices. Maharashtra is the land of Marathas and Hindui Swaraj. The battlefield of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, who was the great warrior of Hindustan, who expanded Hindu Swaraj from in the Haryana in the north to Tanjavur in the Karnataka in south, fighting against Mughals, Adil Shah, Nizam, British, Portuguese, French, Dutch, etc. There are more than 100 forts built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, which are famous architectural examples. There are many monuments in Maharashtra like Gateway of India, Bibi Ka Maqbara, Ajanta Ellora caves, and many temples like Vitthal Mandir in Pandharpur, Mahalakshmi Mandir in Kolhapur, Tambakeshwar Shiva Temple in Nashik, and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminals, which is influenced by different styles. There are some temples which are over 1,000 years in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is land of famous saints like Gyaneshwar, Namdev, Tukaram, Eknath, Janabai, etc. And has a great spiritual history. It is also the land of freedom fighters and social workers like Lokmanya Tilak, Agarkar, Savarkar, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Phule, Ranade, who born in this land and devoted to the freedom of the nation. This state has shown positive approach and leading a role in every reform. It has fighting spirit, hard working, never gave up attitude in the blood of Marathas. Our soldiers are showing bravery in the security of the nation, which is proudworthy. The traditional attire to be worn by men is dhoti and a kurta and a peta, and by women is lugda choli and a nawari sari, which had its own uniqueness and specialties. The food item of Maharashtra conclude vegetables, fruits, grains, and food items like puran poli, vada pav, misal pav, pav bhaji, and shrikhand, which are some dishes which are famous throughout the world. The folk music and songs of Maharashtra is Banjara, Koli, Poda, Holi, and Lavani dance. The official language of Maharashtra is Marathi. Majority of people do speak Marathi and others speak English, Hindi, Gujarati, etc. 80% of people in Maharashtra are Hindu and a significant amount of people are Muslim and Christian, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism and other religion in minority. The festival like Nag Panchami, Gokulashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Makar Sankranti, Gudi Padwa, Bhau Beej, Ellora festivals, Gokul Ashtami, Diwali, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti are some festivals originated in Maharashtra and celebrated by all people of all caste and creed, irrespective of their religion. This shows the unity and brotherhood among them. The people of Maharashtra take pride in their diverse culture and respect every religion. Thus, the thoughts of all people are united. There is no secret that the people of Maharashtra take pride in their diverse culture, and after all, Marathi culture is special. Proud to be Indian, proud to be Maharashtrian. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you. Now I hand over it.
Labor Day is said to celebrate the hard work and achievements of the labor group. This is one day that is entirely devoted to the labor class. Many countries celebrate this day on a different day. However, in maximum countries, this day occurs on the 1st of May, that happens to be International Workers' Day. Origin of Labor Day. The story of Labor Day began with the rise in industrialization. The industrialists exploited the labor class these days. They took a lot of work from them but paid them very less. Laborers were forced to work for 10 to 15 hours a day in very tough conditions. Those who work in chemical factories, mines and other similar places suffered very much. Lastly, they took the bravery to stand united and raise their voice against this oppression. Nearby that time, founding trade unions and going on strike, it was also considered illegal in several countries. So, they formed trade union and laborers went on strike. They also held rallies and protests. Lastly, the government heard their request and reduced the working hour to 8 hours. Thus, this special day to celebrate the efforts of this class was also set. Thank you.